baby that work, man.
I want this one.
Yeah, man. Click the button now. Click the mouse again.
Whatever.
I'm gonna tell you to push my click the mouse again.
I want this one.
Click the mouse again, please.
I'm doing my work. Don't distract me.
Click the mouse again, please.
Don't distract
Click,
me.
click, click.
Whatever.
Click. See that? Progress, guys. I don't feel like you, babes.
Mm-hmm.
I don't feel like. But try. Click your mouse again.
This one. Make sure that.
Full of plant though.
Still standing. Still standing.
What's still standing? Zoom in, Penny. Zoom in, Penny. Oh, no, just see it. I'm gonna get you. See that? Oh, you man. So this is Nat's work. Nat's always lucky to get some work where she have a lot of free time. I'm gonna know how to explain it, but I know where you put in like a keyword search, like and me always end up get some job where was stressful. I'm can't scratch my head.
No stress here.
No stress here. Yeah, we're just waiting on our hours to finish. We have like a couple more minutes to go, so I'm just talking to my favorite people in the whole wide world. Hope everybody had a great day. I know we've been posting a lot of videos, guys, and big up to all the persons who have been watching every single video and liking every single video. Really appreciate you guys. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel before as yet, now is the time. I'll give you guys a second. Go and hit on that subscribe button. I'll give you a minute to do that right now. It done yet? You subscribed yet? Thank you. Really appreciate it, guys. We want to get to 5,000 subscribers as quickly as possible. We cannot do it without you guys. Please smash that subscribe button. Please share, guys. It really helps out the channel. And drop a comment, guys. Big up to everybody who has been messaging us, congratulating us again. Really and truly appreciate it. I know, it's been a long journey. And yeah, we're gonna dive deeper in some information in terms of the entire process, and just inform you guys how everything was and how everything go. You understand? But for now, we're just going to enjoy the moment. We'll probably celebrate soon. Plan a celebration. Probably do it Christmas Day. But we don't know what we're gonna do yet. It's almost like you did want it so much, and then when I get it, it's like yes, I know. I know, I don't know what to do, right? But it is what it is. That's just what it is, guys. It's not our timing, right? The universe opened doors right when we need it, because we really did need it, guys. You understand now? We can relax a little bit and start work towards some of the goals that we put off. For embark on this journey. Some like try get back on track, like owning that house and investing back in Jamaica and stuff like that. Stuff that we really wanted to do, but we couldn't do because our life was in limbo a little bit. But yeah, that's the plan. Yo, just come from the dentist, man. Boy, the dentist really drilled my teeth, Big up. It wasn't really expensive though, like $700 and something overall, but the insurance cover most of it. I only ended up paying like $25. Let me drop in the clip right now, guys. I was in the dental office like for 2 hours, man. There we go.
Okay. We're gonna be famous after this.
Maybe. From there home. Not cold. Babe, it's a cold world. Oh, listen, please. Auntie Jean.
Hey! That's my first baby.
Ah. Wow, Malia. Let's go. Yeah, guys. We're going to get Malika now. Who's next? I'll grab the bags. I'm Malika Jade. I'm Malika Jade. Are you ready to go?
Yes, mommy.
You ready to go?
She wants to be carried.
Hi. Come on, it's cold, Malika. Let's go. Friends think she got me speeding in the fast lane. Pedal to the phone, man. Trying to get back to her love. Joys of winter. Getting dressed and undressed is like a trip. Come, Malia, your time to take off your snowsuit. Yeah. How was everyone's day today?
Come on, leave the shoes.
Malika, how was your day? Oh.
Come on.
What? Why, Malia? Everybody know when they're there. Alright. Free me up. Free me up.
There you go.
My God.
Whoa.
Oh. Alright. Time for me to take off my jacket. One bag of jacket, babes. Jano. Winter. Winter. Come to Alberta, they say. What was the temperature when you were coming home just now?
Mine was what, 35? Not what?
Yeah. So that's what our routine usually looks like, guys. A lot of picking up and dropping off. It's still early, even though it look late, right? So it's just like legit 5:44, right? And we've been home now like for 10 minutes, so we get home like 5:30, and it look like a night out the door. I know, but it's because it's winter. So we usually just do that. And now in the kitchen, about to just cook some dinner and stuff. Nothing too tough. Start trying to figure out if we're gonna use the canned beef on the soba yesterday, or if we're gonna do like some pasta or whatever. But either way, we're just gonna look about some food and have a vibe. You understand? Big up to everybody who, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel. We just wanted to show you guys what an idea of what a regular evening will look like. For us at least, everybody evening is different, but for us it's pretty low key. It's a Monday night, so after we're done eat, we'll probably just watch some YouTube on TV or watch our favorite thing that we're watching right now, which is Chicago Fire. We're waiting on a new episode because we rinse everything and we don't have nothing for watch, so we're just waiting on some new episodes to come out. Chicago Fire or 911 is what we are really tuning in right now, and after that we just get the kids ready for bed, which is like a 2-hour experience, because they seem to be nocturnal, which I wonder where they get that from, where they just don't want to go to sleep early. What?
I wonder where.
Wonder where they get that from. So that usually, the process usually start like probably 8 o'clock, 8:30. Sometime ends 10 o'clock, 10:30.
12 o'clock.
And stuff, right? So yeah, big up to everybody who has been showing us love. Guys, wanna know the vibe, wanna know the thing. When we win, you guys all win. It's one community, and everybody, your time is coming as well. Just keep focused, keep believing, and keep going at it. You understand, guys? Big up on yourself. Just a random video. Because we're trying to get to 5,000 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button. Share. Find a favorite DiAndersons video. And like and drop a comment. Alright, guys. See you guys in the next video.